So I am really excited about this new feature. On Monday, we're going to be releasing a new help bot feature that will answer basic questions about SOPs and how to do different stuff in marijuana software. So the first avatar that we were releasing is named Sage, and there's a little bit here about them in our blog. But what you'll see is that there will be a HelpBot avatar in the bottom of the screen, and you can click on it, and it will open up a chat box, and then you can ask them questions like, how do I make pre-packs? And then Sage will go off and look at our knowledge base and come back to you with an answer. Here's how you make pre-packs. So pretty cool. You can also choose from different avatars. Here we've created Sage the grower, Indikish the patient, Bud the techie, Sativa the business pro, and QB. So choose your fighter and then go ahead and ask it how you use marijuana software. How do I add an employee? And then it'll come back and it'll tell you. And again, this ties directly into our new knowledge base. So as we update the knowledge base, the chatbots will also get the new information and can share it with you. This is Roger Africa Marijuana Software, and these are our new AI chatbots.